So originally on this trip we planned to go for stripers, but they were just not cooperating in the morning. It's August, it's a slow time of the year for them, and we just couldn't get any to bite. So we went out into deeper water, and right away my buddy hooked up on a nice fish. So this is kind of where we hung around for the rest of the day. Tried a couple other spots, but this was kind of the money right here. We didn't get many fish, but it was a good time and it was a mixed bag. So can't complain with that, man.
Just want to let them swim through the current.
50 feet of water. That's crazy. We were just at like 80 feet.
He's losing his shit now.
Oh, bluefish?
Oh, that ain't a striper.
Well, bluefish. Beauty.
Jesus Christ.
You know what? That probably would win a freaking some money if you were in that tournament. That's a big fish.
Yeah. Unfortunate.
Oh, there you go.
Thank you. Hope I have some. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We're on it, baby. This way. Yep. Oh,
Blue. Oh, nice.
hell yeah. Oh, Jesus. You don't like the net?
Might keep it.
Yeah, it looks it.
Got him right into it. Yeah. Nice.
Sweet.
I think
Hell
they
yeah.
gotta be 19 inches. That's a beauty. You'll make that,
Awesome.
I think.
So Jeremy, what are you gonna off, Hunter? I knew that was gonna be your goddamn question.
Oh shit, yeah.
Yeah?
He's 20 something, 21 inches.
Beautiful.
Maybe a little over. Nice fish.
How do you hold these guys?
They're deadly. They'll bite you.
Oh, really?
I'm only kidding. No.
You got a little bit of teeth in there.
Huh?
You got a little bit of teeth.
Yeah, they do, yeah. These are, they're tough to catch right now.
Are they?
Yeah, there's not a lot of them. Well, there's a little, I think you can keep 4. But they're hard, a lot of guys aren't getting them.
Jesus.
Jesus. You want a picture with them?
Yeah. Here, so you just hold them like that?
Yeah.
That's a good way to do it for this guy.
Just throw them right in there. Do it.
Those are really good eating too, right? The fluke are really good eating, right?
Yeah, very good. Very good.
Hell yeah. Oh, there we go. There we go.
Got one?
Oh yeah.
What's going on, you guys? Yeah.
What the hell? I can see the head shape.
Oh, it's a good group of fish. That big pot of fish on the bottom.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. What do we got? What do we got? Sea bass? What was that? Oh,
Nice. Well, we'll see.
kind of small. Beauty.
They're good eating. We'll get them keepers.
What kind of hook is on this? Is it still a circle hook?
No, different. You got to set the hook on that one.
Okay, that's what I figured.
But a lot of times they'll just grab it.
Yep. I just had a bite, so that's why I asked.
This is a keeper.
Oh yeah?
Oh yeah.
Awesome.